Hello friends, today we will learn how to use abacus. Do you know abacus was invented long ago, but still now it is very useful to count numbers and do math operations such as addition, subtraction, etc. So now let's start. This is the base of the abacus. These rods represent how much we can count. I will explain this after some time. Each of these will have some beads. So here we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 beads. That means the number is 3. If we don't have any beads, the number is 0. Let's remember one rule. We will keep on adding beads from the right side in these rods. So let's start counting the numbers. This is 0 because we don't have anything. Let me add one bead. This is 1. Let me add another bead. Now this is 2. Let me add another one. This is 3. Adding one more. This is 4. Adding one more. This is 5. Adding one more. This is 6. Adding one more. This is 7. Adding one more. This is 8. Same as adding one more. This is 9. Now let's pause. Let's say we don't have enough space in this rod for another bead. Maximum we could have is 9. Also, if I want to represent one big number, I need to add so many beads. It will be difficult for someone to count all these beads. What we will do is, we will put 10 beads to this magic box and make one big bead. This one big bead is equal to 10 beads. Let's keep this in mind and go back to our abacus. We were at 9. Now to make 10, instead of adding one small bead here and make it 10 beads, I will keep one big bead like this. And this rod is called tens place. Here each big bead is equal to 10 beads and this rod is called ones place, since one bead represents only 1. Let's count further. Let me add one more bead. We have one big bead here for 10 and one here. So it is 11. Let's add one more bead, so it is 10, 11, 12. We read this as 1, 2, 12. Adding another bead, it is 1, 3, 13. Adding another bead, it is 1, 4, 14. Adding another bead, it is 1, 5, 15. Now let's stop here and think about the real abacus available at our school. This is how some abacus looks. Here in each rod we have 9 beads. Starting from the right, each bead in the ones place has a value 1. Then in tens place, each bead is equal to 10 beads present in ones place. Similarly, one bead in the 100 place is equal to 10 beads present at tens place. If you think through one bead present in 100 place is equal to 100 beads present at ones place. Before we start counting, let's remember that we will consider the beads whatever comes down and touches the base. So let's start counting from 0 to 100. there is no bead on the base, that is 0. Then it is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now remember, instead of adding one bead, in ones place we made a bigger bead which is equal to 10 small beads. So this is 10. This is 1 1 11, 1 2 12, 1 3 13, 1 4 14, 1 5 15, 1 6 16, 1 7 17, 1 8 18, 1 9 19. Again, instead of 10 small beads, we will take one more big bead in tens place. So it is 20. 2 2 22, 2 3 23, 2 4 24, 2 5 25, 2 6 26, 2 7 27, 2 8 28, 2 9 29. Now instead of 10 small beads, we will take one more big bead in tens place. So it is 3 0 30. This is 3 1 31, 3 2 32, 3 3 33, 3 4 34, 3 5 35, 3 6 36, 3 7 37, 3 8 38, 3 9 39. Now instead of 10 small beads, we will take one more big bead in tens place. So it is 4 0 40. This is 4 1 41, 4 2 42, 4 3 43, 4 4 44, 4 5 45, 4 6 46, 4 7 47, 4 8 48, 4 9 49. Now instead of 10 small beads, we will take one more big bead in tens place. So it is 5 0 50. This is 5 1 51, 5 2 52, 5 3 53, 5 4 54, 5 5 55, 5 6 56, 5 7 57, 5 8 58, 5 9 59. Now instead of 10 small beads, we will take one more big bead in tens place. So it is 6 0 60. This is 6 1 61, 6 2 62, 6 3 63, 6 4 64, 6 5 65, 6 6 66, 6 7 67, 6 8 68, 6 9 69. Now instead of 10 small beads, we will take one more big bead in tens place. So it is 7 0 70. This is 7 1 71, 7 2 72, 7 3 73, 7 4 74, 7 5 75, 7 6 76, 7 7 77, 7 8 78, 7 9 79. Now instead of 10 small beads, we will take one more big bead in tens place. So it is 8 0 80, 8 1 81, 8 2 82, 8 3 83, 8 4 84, 8 5 85, 8 6 86, 8 7 87, 8 8 88, 8 9 89. Now instead of 10 small beads, we will take one more big bead in tens place. So it is 9 0 90, 9 1 91, 9 2 92, 9 3 93, 9 4 94, 9 5 95, 9 6 96, 9 7 97, 9 8 98, 9 9 99. Now the next number is 100. This is interesting. Instead of adding one bead in ones place, we can add one bead in tens place. But the problem is in tens place we don't have any bits left. So here instead of adding one bit in tens place and making 10 bits, we will add one bit in hundred place, which is equal to 10 bits present in tens place. So this is 1 0 0 100. Then we will have one more bit and this is 1 0 1 equal to 101, and it goes on. We have many rods in abacus to do addition, subtraction and other math operations. We will discuss this in the next video. Keep watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel to get similar videos. Thank you.